Shirotali, you are watching BBC News. We started the COP26 climate conference in which Glasgow has been tackling the future of the one of the worst sources of coal emissions carbon. Still, it is widely used to generate power around the world. But now the situation is that 46 countries have not signed up. 46 countries sign up to move away from this project, and some of the biggest users like Australia, US, India have not signed up this project, and it would no longer support coal-fired power station projects. While the COP President Lok Sharma has set out the pledges for this. Thank you so much.
Okay, so you need to change the style, right? The first from reading style to newscaster style. थोड़ी सी ना सनसनीखेजी फैलानी होगी अपने उस बात करने के अंदाज से, right? Just focus there. Overall, it's good, हाँ? Keep it up. और आपको देखिए मुझे एक idea आया था. I'll just tell you. In the next class, all because of him, right? In the next class, you guys are going to tell